Is this just a dip, or are we going into a much deeper crypto winter? I'm going to get into that, but please first like, subscribe, check us down below for our CT Club where you get our trade alerts, portfolio. You get to see what we are buying during these dips. Yes, we are buying, and I'm letting everybody know within 5 minutes of my trades. Okay, so I'm hearing a lot of chatter of $10,000 now for Bitcoin. $10,000, $12,000, $14,000. I'm gonna have you guys think a little bit of why we would go down that low, okay? So what happened a couple months ago? We had the Luna debacle, the whole Terra Luna UST collapse, right? A lot of people lost a ton of money. Then that kind of had a ripple effect into a lot of liquidations in the centralized lending platforms like Celsius, all right? And so what happened there? Well, a lot of people were over leveraged and they got destroyed, and that helped make a cascade for Three Arrows Capital and so on. So I think that's what helped bring down the price down to the mid 17,500s. Now you have to ask yourself, are we going to experience that once again and much further below? I don't know. I don't think we are, and here's why. It took an entire collapse in the lending platforms, pretty much, and UST. And also you had the US dollar hitting par with the euro, which helped really hit crypto. So all of these things came together pretty much at the same time to help drag down the price, and they could only get the price down to 17,500. So my question to you is, what do you expect? How can the price, if all that could only bring the price down to 17,500, what the heck is going to bring the price down to 10,000, 12,000? I mean, what do people are expecting? Are they expecting Armageddon? I mean, I would understand if we got another March 2020 event where the governments literally shut down the entire globe and the economy. But, you know, people are expecting a Black Swan event right now. But you have to understand, Black Swan events happen when people aren't expecting it. That's what a Black Swan is. That's the whole reason Nassim Taleb wrote that book, is that when the unexpected happens is when things really get volatile. And so now that everybody's expecting something, might not happen, you know? So my encouragement is, like, from what I'm doing right now is that we've been dollar cost averaging into many different coins, and also Bitcoin and Ethereum. And especially with the merge coming out, I mean, I think it's kind of crazy to be selling here, but you know what? To each their own. I've been in this space for almost 10 years now, and I'm not worried one bit. And I don't think a lot of people should be either, unless you're over leveraged. That's all I have. Please like, subscribe, and I will talk to you soon.